going to make you some shots this morning.
We're talking about eating for your eyes today.
So AREDS2 is a formula that is formulated for preventing AMD, which is age-related macular disease. Now, it's not 100%, but it has proven in studies to help prevent and also slow down the progression by 25%. There are combinations of micronutrients, minerals, and I think one of the important ones I think everybody have heard about is lutein and zeaxanthin. Drink orange juice. It's good for your eyes, but the tangerine in equal weight has double the amount of lutein. Choose the purple versions of these vegetables. They have more, like you said, anthocyanins, but if it's more green, more yellow, then there's more zeaxanthin as well as lutein. I'm going to make 2 shots, a green shot and then a orange shot.
Yes. He only uses his microwave.
At home, we don't.
So if you do make juice, quickly put it airtight and pop it into the fridge. That should preserve it a little bit better.
Okay.
Yeah.